Hello, good evening everyone, good evening everyone. Meron tayong panibagong i-review na product na kung saan this is an upgrade for those who are entering the content creation space. Nakakatulad ko na bagong pasok lang sa content creation. Ano nga ba yung i-review nating product which is very, very good. And na-excite na akong i-review and i-reveal kung ano yung product na yun. Kasi currently, I'm using it. And the thing is, it really did improve yung nakikita yung picture or video quality na kung saan ito yung effect. My gosh, it's so good. It's nice to have something like this. This is something na parang masasabi mong bala natin sa mga nagko-content creation. So, hindi ka na. Tingnan na natin kung ano yung product na nire-review natin. The product that we are reviewing is this Photolex Tofu Light. Ano nga ba Tofu Light? This is a lighting equipment na kung saan mas gaganda yung ambience, yung mga videos na ginagawa mo, yung mga photos na iyong sinushoot, mas nagkakaroon ng buhay. Hindi siya nagiging dull, hindi siya nagiging flat or anything. Katulad ng mga previous video, kapag nakita nyo sobrang flat kasi wala akong lightings na tama. Ang ilaw ko lang, ang aking tanging light source is yung bumbilya ng aking kwarto. So, sobrang flat. So, look at this. When I turn off this light, this is the shot that you are currently having. So, hindi maganda. Pure shadows and everything. And sobrang flat, sobrang dull no buha ng photo or ng video. So, with the lightings, as you can see, it's a level up sa video creation. So, ano nga ba ang effect ng ng lighting sa mga video creation? Katulad yan, it gives life dun sa mismong video mo, sa mismong photo mo, and mas nakaka-entice siya ng mga tao to watch further, to look further sa mga kino-content mo. So, sabi nga nung isang content creator na napanood ko sa TikTok, ang sabi niya, ang lighting ang buhay ng isang photo and video. Which is true. Correct lighting is the life of your photo and video. Additional pa, yung kung ano i-content mo, nagdadagdag na kung saan mas mahuhook pa yung mga taong magstay para panoorin yung video mo, yung tingnan yung mga photos na ina-upload mo. So with this lighting, it really improves yung ating content creation. So ano nga ba ang kasama dito sa Tofu Light ni Photolex? So yeah, buksan natin siya. So currently gamit ko na siya. That is the light that I'm currently using. Dati wala. As you can, pag tinignan mo yung mga previous videos natin, wala tayong lightings, di ba? Sobrang dull, sobrang patay yung natin. So this is the box. Yeah, kita nyo, red box, may Photolex na and yeah, embossed siya. So, ito yung box. Merong warranty card. This is the warranty. The manual with different language na kung saan may English siya and every languages na you can think of, I guess. The major languages. Then this is something called shoe adapter. If I'm correct, I don't know how to use this and what's the use for this. Then they have this, a USB-C to USB-A charger. So USB-C na siya, which is nice. Then we have this, a tripod, small yung tripod. Meron pang mas malaki dun sa upgraded version. So yeah, wait lang, may natanggal na sticky. Yeah. So ayan, meron siyang tripod na kasama. Maliit lang tong tripod na to, so I think if you're going to purchase, may options naman na may bigger tripod. So yan siya, tripod. Then, my concern is this. Medyo onti na lang kasi yung gumagamit ng type A na mga power brick kasi wala siyang power brick na kasama. So, which is okay lang naman kasi meron naman tayong phone chargers Maswerte lang ako kasi si Xiaomi meron siyang phone charger na Type A pa rin. So, ito yung tablet ko. So, yeah. Kasi yung phone ko gamit is C2C na power brick. Which is, diba, sana mag-upgrade. So, ano nga ba yung specs ng Tofu Lite natin? It's a Tofu Black Samurai. So, the black variant yung nakuha ko. Nagkamali ako ng purchase. Dapat yung white. The series is Tofu series. Then, the power output na ginagawa niya is 6 watts maximum. Then, input power is 5 watts, 5 volts with 2 milliampere and USB-C. Sabi ko nga, USB-C na siya. And the battery capacity, ito yung medyo malungkot, which is 2,000 milliamperes lang. So, if continuous use, tapos nandun siya sa high output na brightness, it would only took you around 1 hour to 1 hour 30 minutes, 2 hours at the maximum. So, yeah, mas ano siya. Pero, huwag ka mag-alala, meron naman silang upgraded version, which is the Tofu Bro. Yung spec wise nun is mas maganda kasi meron pa siyang controls sa phone mo. Pwede mo siya makontrol via your device, di ba? Di ba? Yun yung upgraded version. So, nandun pa siya sa medyo premium-ish side na hindi ko pa kaya. Kasi sabi ko sa inyo, ang mga products na nire-review natin is out of pocket. Everything that I'm buying is out of pocket. So, pinag-iipunan natin, ginagawa natin ng paraan para mabili yung mga products. So, katulad nito, Tofu Lite, I bought it with my own money. And the RGBU is 0 to 360. So, marami kang option for the color arrangement na pwede mong gawin. Ang gamit ko is yung pinaka-basic lang for the lighting. Then, color saturation is 1 to 100% with a color temperature range of 2500K up to 9900K. So, mataas din, di ba? Mataas din. With a light effect mode, not 21 light effect mode. Ano ba yung mga light effect mode? Like the strobes, club, mga ganyan. So, ambience vibe lang siya. So, for me, ano nga ba ang verdict for this one? Si Photolite, it really improves your videos. It really improves the photos that you're taking. Kasi maganda yung binibigay niya output ng liwanag. Pag-improve siya. Meron din pala siyang diffuser na kasama. By default, may diffuser na siyang kasama. And may clip din siya for your device, which is yun yung gamit natin para dito sa tablet. Clip siya sa ating tablet right now. And the build quality is nice. And pag tignan mo sa photo, meron siyang knob. Yan yung pang-adjust mo nung temperature, ng kanyang brightness, ng hue, and everything. So, marami ka talagang magagawa with the knob. Medyo matagal lang mag-adjust sa tamang adjustment na gusto mo. Kasi it's a knob. So, pero okay lang din naman. Kasi pag nag-upgrade ka dun sa Tofu Bro nila, meron ka ng automatic sa cellphone. So, i-click mo na lang and automatic. That is the color that will show dun sa ilaw and everything. So, upgraded version siya. So, quality-wise, it's a 9 out of 10 for me or 8 out of 10 for me, which is good. And, yung ano niya kasi, yung chassis niya is, I think, plastic chassis, which is not bad. It's nice to the touch and everything. It's really good. It's not that parang rough and anything. The texture is really good. Solid yung pagkagawa. The knobs is bakal. It's metal. So, nice. Then, the lighting. Wala namang dead pixel or dead lights dun sa aking ilaw. Mga dead LED lights. Wala naman. And yung mini LED niya na LED screen is good. Kitang-kita mo kung ano yung information na binibigay niya. Malinaw siya. And the lighting, ito, around 38 ata ito or 40% brightness. Tapos, 3800K yung kanyang color temperature na ginagamit ko, which is nice for the photos and everything. So, kind of verdict ko sa kanya, this is a 9 out of 10 or 8 out of 10 product for me. It really upgrades your video. It really upgrades the photo. And for those who want to enter, this is a not really on the premium side kasi ang price range niya, dun tayo magkakatalo-talo sa lahat. This is 1,400. That the time na pinurchase ko yung product na to with the vouchers na binigay sa akin under TikTok kasi sa TikTok ko siya pinurchase. So, around 1,500 to 1,400 pesos yung price niya. Then, if you're going to purchase the upgraded version, which is the Tofu Bro, it's around 2,200 or 2,700 kasi mas marami ng specs yun. Mas upgraded version yun. And mas malaki yung gamit nilang ilaw. And it's a 7,000 milliampere battery capacity. So, mas matagal ang buhay talaga. And yeah, as you can see, the lighting is very good for those who want to enter the content creation space. This is a must buy. Meron tayong mga other options na mas cheaper. Pero if you want to have a premium looking, hindi naman siya premium looking kasi premium talaga yung gawa sa kanya and everything. Premium na item. I suggest buying this Photolex ni Tofu Light ni Photolex. I highly suggest you buy this and God, it will improve everything. So, the lighting is good. There's no shadow na makikita nyo. And kitang-kita na yung mukha ko. Unlike dati, madaming shadow and madilim. So yeah, final verdict is very, very good for me na 9 out of 10, 8 out of 10. The range is there. So this one is a must buy. A must buy for those who want to enter this content creation na career. So yeah, if you want to suggest na mga other products na i-review, i-leave nyo lang ng comment dyan sa comment section natin sa baba. And I'll try to review the product for you to see kung ano yung honest review ko doon sa item na yun. Kasi bibili natin siya with our own money. Hindi tayo magpapa-sponsor, hindi tayo magpapa-affiliate. Kasi if we do that, makukomit tayo to have a biased sentiment on those kind of products. So, yeah, kailangan natin i-purchase yan. I-purchase para wala tayong biased sentiments on those items. Hindi pa natin kaya yung mga cellphones. Hindi pa natin kaya yung mga cellphones. So, kung ipapareview niya sa akin sila, Infinix na mga bagong labas, hindi pa na kaya. So, ipagpatawad nyo. Dito lang muna tayo sa mga accessories na ginagamit for content creation. Meron pa tayong susunod na i-review. Malapit na yun. And yeah, sabi ko nga sa inyo, if you want to have an honest review sa mga contents right now, yan, yung mga products na gusto nyo pa-review, ilagay nyo lang dyan sa comment section down below. And for a product link, I'll link it on the description below for you to purchase once na yung sa inyo na mga yan, katulad yan, Tofu Light, yung mga pinurchase ko ng mga items like this TNW wireless lavalier microphone, which is a must buy too. Siya ang gamit natin for this content. So yeah, yan, lalagay ko rin yan sa link natin down below sa description para makakuha kayo, makabili kayo ng sa inyo. And yeah, let's have a very, very productive then na content creation. Sa mga gustong pumasok sa content creation space, ililink natin yung mga ginagamit natin for our products, yung ginagamit natin products. So, ano nga ba? That's it for me, I guess. Ito yung Photolex na Tofu Light. Kasi mukha siyang tofu. So, Photolex Tofu Light is a must-buy for those who wants to enter the content creation space. So, yun lang. And see you again next time. Sabi ko nga sa inyo, leave a like, share, and follow the page, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And yeah, yung mga gusto ipa-review, lagay nyo lang dyan sa ilalim sa comment section. And I'll try to buy those items for me to review, for you to know kung ano yung honest opinion ko doon sa items. So again, see you again next time sa susunod na product ulit, mga kasama. Bye guys!